Welcome back to the another big match between Jordan versus Iraq. The match has been started. Beautiful pass. Roza is now leading the ball. Anas was there to clear the ball. Nicely clear. Murtaza Hamdan. Salman. Nicely passed to Fawad. This is the chance, but Hassan was there. Nicely clear. Saif. Beautifully clear. This is quarter-final match between Jordan versus Iraq. FIFA Arab Cup 2025. Yaqub is now leading the ball. Nicely dodged. 13 minutes have been passed. Both team players trying their best to attack. Salman, the player, crossed the line. Both team players trying their best to achieve the first goal because the first goal is very important for any team to take the lead, to build the pressure over another team. Salman again leading the ball, nicely passed, but defender was there. Another chance. Ihsan directed but defended by the goalkeeper. Well tried by Salman. This is the first attack from Iraq over Jordan. Hadid. This is the another chance. Muhammad Fawad. Salman again tried but missed it. This is the second attack. Iraq is attacking over and over again. Mohammad Fawad. Raza leading the ball. This time beautiful passing combination is going between Jordan team players. Nicely passed, touch to the player. There will be throw. Imad is now throwing the ball. Javed, beautifully picked by the goalkeeper. First half is almost going to be over. Still both team players could not achieve the goal. Both are on 0 points.
There will be 1 minute added time.
Yaqub Gabbar. This is the last chance but defended. Half of the time has been over. Second half has been started. In the first half, both team players trying their best to achieve the goal. Even Iraqi team player Salman tried twice. Hassan Faraj but defended. There will be corner kick. Well tried by Hussein Faraj. Mohammad Fawad. Again touch. Yaqub Gabbar. Nicely passed to Imad. Saif. Javed. Saif again. Beautiful pass to Raza. And this time Hussein Faraj did it. Magnificent goal. Just after 55 minutes, Hussein Faraj did it. This is the time the Jordan team players is waiting for. Taking the advantages of passing strategy, Hussein Faraj did magnificent goal. Jordan 1, Iraq 0. Now there is a big pressure built on Iraq. Even Iraq attacked twice in the first half, but still Jordan is leading by 1 goal. Sardar Furqan. Nice pass, but defender was there.
The attendance for this match was 70,900.
Hamid Jabir. Beautiful touch. Taking the ball. Still the time is remaining for Iraqi team players. Raza Batras. Imad again. Corrected but defended. Again Raza beautifully hit and got the second goal. Beautifully executed by Raza.
After 68
First time defended, but the second time beautifully executed. That is the strategy. Jordan 2, Iraq 0. Jordan is now leading by 2 goals. Only 25 minutes remaining for this game to be completed, and now Iraqi team players are totally under pressure. They must have to achieve the goal within the 10 minutes if they want to come back in the game. Otherwise, Jordan is already leading by 2 goals. Only 10 minutes remaining for this game to be completed. Javed, another chance, touch to the player. The ball is outside of the line. Corner kick. Had it. Still attacking by Jordan. Iraq is almost lost this game because the time is not enough for them to achieve the 2 goals. Still, Jordan is attack.
There will be 5 minutes added time.
Khalid Salah. Beautiful pass to Sardar Furqan. Nicely cleared by the defenders. The time is over. Jordan 2, Iraq 0. Jordan won this match by 2 goals.